Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to edit TikTok videos using CapCut, a fantastic, beginner-friendly video editing app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize your clips, polish them with effects and music, add professional-looking text, and get your video ready to post on TikTok. So, if you've ever felt lost with editing or wanted your TikTok videos to really stand out, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is set up your project and bring in your video clips. Start by downloading and opening CapCut on your computer. Once you're inside, you'll see an option to create a new project. Just give it a click. Now, look for that Import button. This is where you select and upload all the clips you want to use from your computer. If you shot footage on your phone or camera, make sure those files are already transferred over. Once they're imported, you'll see them pop up in your media library. From here, it's as simple as dragging and dropping each clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is like your storytelling canvas. Everything that happens in your video starts here. Next up, editing your video clips to tighten things up. CapCut makes this super intuitive. If you want to trim a clip and cut out unnecessary bits, like that awkward pause before someone starts talking, just click and drag the ends of the clip in the timeline. It's kind of like moving the edges of a curtain to frame the window just right. If you need to split a clip, maybe you want to insert something in the middle or remove a section, use the Split tool, or simply hit the B shortcut key for a quick cut. Splitting is especially handy if you're combining several moments or want to rearrange sections. As you arrange your clips, you can drag them into any order you like. Reordering the clips here is as easy as shuffling pages in a book. It lets you control the sequence so your story flows the way you want it. Now, let's talk about adjusting the frame. In the Video tab, you can scale, crop, rotate, or zoom in on each clip. This is your chance to make sure your video looks great on TikTok's full-screen vertical format. I highly recommend setting your project's aspect ratio to 9:16. If you're not sure how, look for the ratio option. Choosing 9:16 ensures your video fills the TikTok screen perfectly. No awkward black bars or cropping surprises. Once your clips are in place, it's time to add the magic touches: effects, audio, and text. Head to the Audio tab if you want background music or sound effects. Browsing through CapCut's built-in library can be fun. Try out different tracks until you find one that sets the right mood. You can also reduce background noise if you record it in a busy spot, or tweak the playback speed for dramatic or comedic effect. For text and captions, hit the Text tab. Here you can type in titles, labels, or use the Auto Captions feature. This will automatically generate subtitles, which is a great accessibility boost and keeps your viewers engaged even without sound. Don't forget to check out the Effects and Filters tabs. Visual effects can give your video personality, maybe a glitch effect for some drama or a vintage filter for a nostalgic feel. You're almost there. To finish up, click the Export button, typically in the top right corner of the screen. Before you save, take a moment to adjust the resolution and frame rate to match TikTok's requirements. Usually 1080p at 30 frames per second works well. Decide if you want to save the video to your device, or if you've linked your TikTok account, export directly to TikTok. That's it, your video is ready to go live. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Got questions or need advice on a specific editing trick? Just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you next time with more creative tips. Happy editing!